I got incredibly bored and decided to make a quick video showing you the cutout, the insides of some of these oil filters that are commonly used, especially for the Honda and Subaru world. Hondas and Subarus use almost identical filters, FYI. In many of the applications they're the same, but so this is the one I like to use on my race car and whatnot. This is a Henst filter. It is made in Poland, so it's got it's a little bit thicker than the normal OEM casing, beefy, heavy, and with a nice fat O-ring seal, the flat style, and it has a these are used because it shows how flexible the parts are after being used for a while. This has been sitting in the car for about 1 year, I think, because the car sat. But yeah, it's still flexible. That's good. And it has a spring to push the filter up against this end right here. And there on the inside, oh man, we got the light on now. The inside has a very high quality coil spring with a retainer, and that's the bypass valve in case there's a surge of pressure or the media gets kind of like clogged up. But you can see the media is really holding together very well. It's very dense, high quality media. Okay, this is the Japanese Subaru filter. It's a little bit thinner casing. This one made in Indonesia, but this is the Tokyo Roki company. This is the newest version, current edition. And you can see the media is a little bit chunky. You know, it's like fibrous, it's coming apart a little bit, but it's not too bad. It also has from my vantage point, it looks like a coil spring bypass, which is pretty good. The difference is on the front. They are very similar, but this has like a O-ring style, and this is more of a gasket style, like a square. This is a round. And then here's the spring to push the media against, the other end. And it has a kind of a metal part to keep it from getting binding, but it's a good quality. Okay, now we're moving on to the Honda Genuine. Hondas are high quality, right? So this is the made in USA, and then this one is the made in Japan. It probably went past it. Yeah, there it is, made in Japan. Let's compare them. I'm gonna move these guys over here. Move it over a little bit. Okay, so the Honda drain back valve, it's really good quality. Well, it's okay. It's okay. It's not bad. It's actually kind of flimsy and low quality, to be honest. Never mind. Oh yeah, and here's the Subaru one. Anyway, back to the main thing here. So the Honda one, very flimsy, and the case, here's the filter media. It's kind of generic. It's fibrous, not the best quality. And the drain back is plastic retainer. It has a coil spring, and this is the base plate, and this is kind of what pushes the filter media against this end right here. But not really good consistent pressure. It's just kind of a cheap design. And it has cardboard end caps on the filter media. So I'd say this is a very low grade filter. not the best. That's the USA one. Let's check out the made in Japan one here. No, that sucks. Oh, the Japan one also has this. Oh, it's even not even that. This is even worse. It's a little coil spring, little bypass, different design, but I don't know, man. This is not even. I'd say that it's not that great quality, and the filter media is not that good either. They both look cheesy. I'd say they're about the same. Quality is... Maybe this has got a better drain back valve. Yeah, this one's a little bit better. That's all I can say. This one is the cheapest one from Walmart. It's a Super Tech. Absolutely the cheapest. It's like a few bucks. See, it's got a metal end caps, so it's stronger. It's got a pretty good anti-drain back valve. It's not, I mean, it could be, it's a little too stiff, I think, meaning it's probably not gonna hold that much. Might get a little rattle on startup, but on cold starts, it's got a similar design to this one right here. The spring, similar to these two. But you know what? An OEM Honda filter, I would say, see, this one, this is not a Honda filter, I think it's a Toyota Camry, but I think I would probably go, I'd rather buy the cheapest Walmart filter instead of the Honda Japanese or Made in USA filter, to be honest with you. There's not much of a difference between those. The OEM Subaru black case one is higher quality than all the Honda and the Walmart one, so that's good. But in my opinion, this one that's made in Poland is probably overall the best one. You can see the filter media is just more dense. It's got the end caps, you know. I think it's just overall a little bit better than this one. Either one will be okay, but it's just slightly better, you know, like 5% or something. But yeah, I would say these are the worst ones, and the Walmart one is actually okay. If you got a daily driver and you're not beating the crap out of it, the Walmart one's actually going to be just fine. Just don't mess with the OEM Honda, because these are actually, they both look like they're made by Fram, to be honest, and that's not good. And the OEM Subaru one, which is also can be used in a Honda or a Nissan, I think are better than these ones. The blue Subaru one, which I don't have an example of, is actually very similar to this Honda one, so keep that in mind. Trying to avoid the blue one, made in USA. Anyway, just pure entertainment, nothing crazy here, but this is the one I'm using in my car. Anyway, peace out.